been working on building clientele. I'm very, very new. I'm my second month into real estate. I started doing open houses. What suggestions would you have to get people to come to the open houses?
You go door knocking, you take out flyers, and per Tom Truong, you put out 20 signs, and you make everybody in the whole neighborhood feel like you have a listing on every house because they see you everywhere.
So don't be shy. Get out of your comfort zone. Door knock, ding dong. Hi, my name is Kristy. I'm with eXp Realty. I'm hosting an open house today at noon. I'm sorry to bug you during breakfast time. Just come by and say hi. Would you like a bottle of water when they come in? That's all. Make a friend. You could even go as far as taking the neighbor. If you have a legitimate buyer for this house, I will compensate you $300 just for the referral. Go use KV4. Create a little QR code in KV4. Go to every cork board in town and post it up and put "Do not scan." Or you could be, and they're going to scan every single one of them. Okay? Or say open house this Sunday. Come by.